Tomorrow's planned public transportation sector strike may be good to go as scheduled, but the approved fare hike green-lit by the LTFRB yesterday to take effect tomorrow was put on ice by the president earlier today in an ad hoc directive to the DOTR. The president put the fare hike order on the shelf, citing another impending financial subsidy payout for the sector from the Transportation Department to the tune of 2.5 billion pesos. As our Floyd Brenz reports.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has directed the Department of Transportation to defer the approved price hike in public transport fares. According to President Marcos Jr., the fare hike is not timely. Filipinos continue to feel the impact of the crisis in the Middle East.
Kaya inutos ko sa DOTR na suspendihin muna ang fare hike at i-defer muna natin yan, i-postpone muna natin yan dahil nasa gitna ngayon tayo nitong sitwasyon na ito na kailangan patuloy ang ating pag-alalay sa ating mga commuter, sa lahat ng mga ating manggagawa, mga estudyante, lahat ng gumagamit ng ating transport system.
The fare increase was supposed to take effect tomorrow, March 19. The approved hike included 1 peso for traditional jeepneys, 2 pesos for modern jeepneys and for ordinary buses, and 3 pesos for air-conditioned units. This following appeals from drivers struggling with soaring fuel prices, but the president offers assurance to transport workers. The government has begun distributing 5,000 pesos in cash assistance under the Assistance for Individuals in Crisis Situation or AICS program of the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Separate from this, a 2.5 billion peso fuel subsidy from the Transportation Department is also being rolled out.
Huwag po mag-alala ang ating mga transport workers dahil mamadaliin po namin, dadagdagan po namin ang suporta sa inyo para naman ay hindi kayo masyadong mahirapan.
The president also ordered the implementation of free rides nationwide, along with discounts in MRT3, LRT1, LRT2, and even tollways.
Kahit na may malaking gulo na nangyayari, ay ang aming nga rin ay basta't kaunti lang ang mararamdaman o sana man kung kaya namin gawin, sana walang mararamdaman ng ating taong bayan sa kanilang araw-araw na pagtrabaho, sa ating mga estudyante na araw-araw pumapasok. Alalahanin niyo po ninyo na ang inyong pamahalaan ay laging nandito.
The government says it continues to work on measures to ease the impact of rising fuel prices and protect Filipino commuters from further burden. Floyd Brenz from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.